Hello students, next point is method of writing a solution set of a consistent system in a parametric vector form. First, row reduced T augmented matrix to reduced row echelon form. Next, express each basic variable in terms of any free variables appearing in an equation. Next, write a typical solution X as a vector whose entries depend on the free variable if any. Next, decompose X into a linear combination of vectors with numerical entries using the free variables as parameters. Next example, write the solution set of the given homogeneous system in parametric form. Given system is x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equal to 0, minus 4x1 minus 9x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0, minus 3x2 minus 6x3 equal to 0. In right hand side, constant values are nothing but t0, so given system is homogeneous. First write coefficient matrix A equal to 1, 3, 1, minus 4, minus 9, 2. Third row 0, minus 3, minus 6. Next, column vectors of unknowns x1, x2, x3 and O is 0 vector 0, 0, 0. Now consider augmented matrix A augmented 0 vector. So matrix becomes 1, 3, 1, minus 4, minus 9, 2, 0, minus 3, minus 6 augmented 0 vector. Now reduced it into row echelon form by using row operations. First row operation is R2 plus 4 R1. The matrix becomes first row as it is. Second row becomes 0, 3, 6, 0 and last row as it is 0, minus 3, minus 6, 0. Next row operation is R3 plus R2. So matrix becomes first two row as it is 1, 3, 1, 0. Second row 0, 3, 6, 0 and last row becomes 0, 0, 0. Here pivot position occurs in first and second column. In third column there is no pivot position, so free variable is x3. Put x3 equal to t and the equations from this matrix are x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equal to 0, 3x2 plus 6x3 equal to 0, x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equal to 0, 3x2 plus 6x3 equal to 0. Here free variable is x3. So value of x2 is 3x2 equal to minus 6x3 equal to minus 6t, where x3 equal to t. So x2 equal to minus 6t upon 3, which implies x2 equal to minus 2t. Now to find value of x1, we use this example. x1 equal to minus 3x2 minus x3, which is equal to minus 3x2 is minus 2t minus x3 is t, which is equal to 6t minus t equal to 5t. So we get x1 equal to 5t, x2 equal to minus 2t and x3 equal to t. So solution vector x equal to x1, x2, x3. x1 is 5t, x2 is minus 2t, x3 is t. Take t as common. Remaining terms are nothing but the 5 minus 2, 1. So this is nothing but the parametric vector form. Next example, describe all solutions of A into x equal to 0 in parametric vector form where A is row equivalent to the given matrix. Row equivalent to the given matrix means this is nothing but the reduced echelon form of the original matrix. So A is row equivalent means A equal to given matrix. Given system is a into x equal to 0 and a equal to 1 3 minus 3 7, next row 0 1 minus 4 5. Now consider augmented matrix A augmented 0 vector. So matrix becomes 1 3 minus 3 7 0 0 1 minus 4 5 0. Here you can see that pivot position occurs in first and second column, and in third and fourth column there is no pivot position, so we put free variables x3 x4. Put x3 equal to s, x4 equal to t. S, t are nothing but the entries of real number system. So equations are nothing but the x1 plus 3x2 minus 3xt plus 7x4 equal to 0. Next equation x2 minus 4x3 plus 5x4 equal to 0. Here x3 x4 are nothing but the st, so x2 equal to 4x3 minus 5x4 equal to 4s minus 5t. Now to find value of x1 equal to minus 3x2 plus 3x3 minus 7x4 equal to minus 3 into x2 is 4s minus 5t, 4s minus 5t plus 3 x3 is s minus 7 x4 is t, which is equal to minus 12s plus 15t plus 3s minus 7t, which is equal to minus 9s plus 8t. x1 equal to minus 9s plus 8t. So x1, x2, x3, x4 we got. So solution vector x equal to x1, x2, x3, x4, which is equal to x1 is minus 9s plus 8t, x2 is 4s minus 5t, x3 is s, x4 is t. Take s common, minus 9 4 1 0 plus t 8 minus 5 0 1. So this is the required parametric vector form of the solution set. This is the, just a minute. This is the required parametric vector form of the solution set Now next example, suppose the solution set of a certain system of linear equations can be described as x1 equal to 5 plus 4x3, x2 equal to minus 2 minus 7x3 with x3 free. Use vectors to describe this set as a line in R3. Now given x1 equal to 5 plus 4x3, x2 equal to minus 2 minus 7x3, x3 is free variable, put x3 equal to t, so x2 equal to minus 2 minus 7t, x1 equal to 5 plus 4t. So solution vector equal to x1, x2, x3, which is equal to x1 is 5 plus 4t, x2 is minus 2 minus 7t, x3 is t, which is equal to 5 minus 2 0 plus t into 4 minus 7 1. This is the parametric vector form of the solution vector. Next example, each of the following equations determines a plane in R3. Do the two planes intersect? If so, describe their intersection. Given system is x1 plus 4x2 minus 5x3 equal to 0, 2x1 minus x2 plus 8x3 equal to 9. This is non-homogeneous system. So first write given system x1 plus 4x2 minus 5x3 equal to 0, 2x1 minus x2 plus 8x3 equal to 9. Write coefficient matrix A equal to 1, 4, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 8. Next, column vectors of unknowns x1, x2, x3 and B matrix is nothing but the column vectors of constants 0, 9. Now consider augmented matrix A augmented B, which is equal to 1, 4, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 8 augmented B 0, 9. Reduce it into row echelon form by using the row operations. First row operation is R2 minus 2R1. So matrix becomes first row as it is 1, 4, minus 5, 0. Second row 0, minus 9, 18, 9. Next row operation R2 upon 9. First row as it is. Second row becomes 0, minus 1, 2, 1. Here pivot position occurs in first and second column. In third column there is no pivot position. So put x3 as a free variable. So x3 equal to t. T belongs to R. From this matrix we get equations. x1 plus 4x2 minus 5x3 equal to 0, minus x2 plus 2x3 equal to 1, which implies minus x2 equal to 1 minus 2x3, 1 minus 2t, x3 is t. Minus x2 equal to 1 minus 2t means x2 equal to minus 1 plus 2t. Next, to find value of x3, x1 plus 4x2 minus 5x3 equal to 0, which implies minus 5x3 equal to minus x1 minus 4x2, which is equal to minus x1 equal to minus 4x2 plus 5x3, which is equal to minus 4, x2 is minus 1 plus 2t plus 5t, x3 is t, which is equal to 4 minus 8t plus 5t equal to 4 minus 3t. So we get x1 equal to 4 minus tt, x2 equal to minus 1 plus 2t and x3 is t. So solution vector x equal to x1, x2, x3, x1 equal to 4 minus 3t, x2 is minus 1 plus 2t and x3 is t, which is equal to 4 minus 1, 0 plus t into minus 3 to 1. Therefore, the intersection of two planes is the line through point P in the direction of V, where P equal to 4 minus 1 0 and V equal to minus 3 2 1. Here named as P, named as V. Next example. Find the parametric equation of the line through a parallel to b, where a equal to -2 0, b equal to -5 3. Means x equal to a plus bt, because given is line through a parallel to b, means line through a parallel to b. So x equal to a plus bt, which is equal to a is -2 0 plus b is -5 3 into t, or x equal to -2 -5t 3t, which implies x1 equal to -2 -5t, x2 equal to 3t. Next example, construct a 3 by 3 non-zero matrix A such that the vector 1 1 1 is a solution of A into x equal to 0. Suppose the required matrix A is, suppose the required matrix A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, 3 by 3 matrix. Then from given condition A into x equal to 0, given condition is A into x equal to 0. So A into x equal to 0, which implies A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, x is 1 1 1, which is equal to 0 0 0. By multiplying these two matrices, we get A11, A12, A11 plus A12 plus A13, second A21 plus A22 plus A23, next A31 plus A32 plus A33. This is the 3 by 3 matrix and this is the 3 by 1. So we get 3 by 1 matrix equal to 0 0 0, which implies, by comparing the entries of these two matrices, because these two matrices are equal, so A11 plus A12 plus A13 equal to 0, A21 plus A22 plus A23 equal to 0, A31 plus A32 plus A33 equal to 0. We have to find out the values of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 such that their addition equals to 0. These three entries, when we add, we get 0. Similarly for second and third equation. Therefore, one possible matrix A equal to 1 2 minus 3 0 1 minus 1 7 minus 3 4. Here A11 is 1, A12 equal to 2, A13 equal to minus 3. Similarly for A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. First addition A11 plus A12 plus A13, 1 plus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Similarly for 0 plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 7 minus 3 plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, possible one matrix A equal to 1 2 minus 3 0 1 minus 1 7 minus 3 4. Here the end of second chapter, linear equations in linear algebra first. We stop here.